السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أبنائي الطلاب والطالبات، أسعد الله أوقاتكم في لقاء جديد من مشروع التعليم العلاجي لمساعدة الأطفال وطلاب التوجيهي الممول من قبل الحكومة الأمريكية ممثلة بمجلس السكان واللاجئين والهجرة الأمريكي ريليف انترناشونال. أعزائي طلاب وطالبات الصف العاشر الأساسي، معكم الأستاذ عمر يوسف اللحام. We continue our lessons through Action Pack 10, Module 6, Lesson 3 at page Student Book, page 72. Today we are going to study page 72 and we are going to study page 49 and 50 in your activity book. Directly we go to the reading passage here. We have a reading passage and we want to complete the postcard. It is a postcard here with the correct form of the verbs in brackets. We want to complete the postcard with the correct form بالصيغة الصحيحة للأفعال الموجودة بين الأقواس. Of course, we have studied about the past, the present continuous. درسنا عن المضارع المستمر ودرسنا عن passive, simple present passive والمضارع البسيط بصيغة المبني للمجهول. All these we are going to use them today in our reading passage to complete the wanted answers. Directly we go to it. It is a stamp. Here we have the stamp as we can see. To my best friend Nadia. إلى صديقتي العزيزة نادية. Dear Nadia, I'm having a really incredible time here. My parents are and I, my parents and I, يعني we could see the answer here like this. Sorry. My parents and I, أنا ووالدي أو عائلتي are staying, are هون are والفعل ing هذا اللي هو staying, are staying. My parents and I are staying at برج العرب hotel in Dubai at the moment. الدليل عندنا على إنه استخدمنا هون الآر اللي هو at the moment. هذا هو الدليل. استخدمنا هذا الدليل حتى يبين لنا المضارع الذي يبين لنا المضارع المستمر. The hotel is built. هاي شو هاي اللي هي مبني المجهول بصيغة المضارع is والbuild هاي اللي هي تصبح built. is built التصريف الثالث للفعل is built on an island, so all visitors are taken. Yes, thank you. Here are for are taken. التصريف الثالث لتيك أيضا مبني المجهول. are taken there by helicopter. Our rooms كمان are decorated. هون كمان are 6 decorated. are decorated. 7 sorry هون طبعا الجواب 5 are decorated in marble and gold and they are هون 6 كمان are equipped they are equipped with everything we need. In the evening we are entertained. كمان هون are 7 are وهاي entertained. We are entertained by the fish in the aquarium in the roof top restaurant. See you soon, وردة. Then this is what we mean by the correct form. بتمنى انكم تتابعوا الفيديو كويس وتشوفوا الإجابات حسب ما كتبناهم في كل مكان. نقدر نقرأهم قراءة سريعة. I'm having a really, dear Nadia, I'm having a really incredible time here. My parents and I are staying at Burj Al Arab Hotel in Dubai at the moment. The hotel is built on an island, so all visitors are taken there by helicopter. Our rooms are decorated in marble and gold, and they are equipped with everything we need. In the evening, we are entertained by the fish in the aquarium in the rooftop restaurant. See you soon, وردة. Directly to the vocabulary which talks about materials. يعني هاي المصطلحات والكلمات التي تتحدث عن الأدوات والأشياء المصنوعة والمعادن. Materials المواد. The words in all the books connected to the materials. جميع الكلمات الموجودة في الصندوق معناها نأخذ من الماتيريالز. So what is each material used for؟ ولماذا تستخدم كل مادة؟ Check the meaning. تفقد المعنى. راح نشوف المعنى مع بعض احنا. طبعا هون المعنى steel الحديد، marble رخام، silk الحرير، wood الخشب، glass الزجاج، البلاستيك، الميتال اللي هو الفلزات أو المعادن احنا نسميها، diamond الماس، bronze البرونز، brass النحاس، gold الذهب، silver الفضة. All these are materials. Now we want to make sure that can connect them together, connect the materials in the page here. Make sentences, choose each one. The present simple passive. إذن يعني في حال توصيلنا هذه الجمل هي هذه الجمل عندما نقول is made و are made فنحن نتحدث عن قاعدة present simple passive اللي هو الأفعال البي زائد التصريف الثالث الفعل. إذن شوف المثال الأول اللي هو the scarf is made of silk. The scarf is made of silk. scarf اللي هي الوشاح اللي احنا بنشوفه على الصورة. The scarf is made of silk. 2. The statue اللي هو ايش؟ التمثال. The statue is sculpted from marble. The scarf نقدر نوصلهن هيك. Sorry, again we continue. The statue is sculpted by is sculpted the statue is sculpted here from marble. Another color for number 2. The tower is built from steel. The building also is designed. Another color is designed by an architect. The ring is decorated with diamond. The furniture، لأن نستخدم جملة من هذول. The furniture is made of wood. is made، هون نغير اللون، the color. The furniture is made from wood. The vase also is made، again the vase is made of glass. Of a glass. This is what we could call the present simple passive to talk about materials، اللي هو الحديث عن المواد and what they are made of. made of، لاحظنا انه كله افعال البي اللي هي is، والتصريف الثالث الفعل designed, made, sculpted, built, decorated. Directly we go to activity book page 49. Page 49 here. To answer the exercises, the vocabulary. Which one? هون look at the following words related to architecture. Spectacular اللي هو مذهل أو رائع. Marble الرخام. Plaster work اللي هو أعمال الجبس أو الجبصين. Dome اللي هي القبة. Calligraphy اللي هو فن الخط. Fontaine النافورة. Courtyard الفناء أو الساحة الداخلية. Arc اللي هو القوس. Which one؟ يعني نكتب الكلمات كل واحدة في according to the definition. We have a definition here اللي هو تعريف. We want to put each word in its place. A type of beautiful writing اللي هي إيش؟ calligraphy. calligraphy اللي هي a type of beautiful writing. An adjective meaning incredible. صفة تعني مذهل اللي هي spectacular. A carved structure supporting to wave of a roof. curved اللي هو منحني يعني. structure supporting the weight of roof اللي هو arc. A structure from which jets of water are pumped out اللي هي fontaine. غير اللون عشان يصير عندنا fontaine. 5. An open area of ground surrounded by walls or buildings اللي هو courtyard. courtyard. Number 5. courtyard. Number 6. A rounded roof of a building اللي هو dome. Change the color. Number 7. dome. Ornamental work done with plaster that dries very hard اللي هو plaster work. Last one, plaster work. Okay. Directly to exercise 2, complete the text with the words from exercise 1. Now, exercise 1, as we said, like it, we have to complete the letters. King Abdullah first mosque in Amman was built by the late King Hussein as a memorial to his grandfather. مسجد الملك عبد الله اللي في الصورة اللي شايفينه هنا الأول بني في عمان من قبل الراحل الحسين كذكرى لجده الأكبر. This spectacular place of worship. spectacular. لو شطبنا الكلمات وردينا وزعناهن بالأسهم هنا. إذن spectacular اللي هي تكون هون spectacular. نكمل الأحرف الناقصة. Spectacular place of worship for Muslims is covered by a huge blue dome. That blue dome that is beautifully made of mosaic, up to 7,000 worshippers inside and another 3,000 outside gather for Friday prayers. The outside courtyard, courtyard is extremely peaceful. It contains wide gardens and great plaster works. Plaster works. These are the words for exercise 2. Directly, I hope you will continue and be patient with your answers. Exercise 3. Complete the sentences with the present simple passive using the verbs in brackets. الآن واضح، أصبحت القاعدة واضحة اللي هي باستخدام أفعال البي زائد التصريف الثالث للفعل. Guests are taken. French is spoken. This building is regarded. فعل منتظم regarded. All the rooms are equipped. طبعا هون نضيف ed are. ليش؟ لأنه عندنا جمع، هون rooms جمع. The sculpture is described. هون نضيف حرف الدي فقط. is هون is described لأنه مفرد. Many places around the world are constructed. هون many يعني عندنا العديد، هون ed وهون نحط are constructed. Alhambra Palace is considered. طبعا هون ed sorry I have here ed هون نقول is constructed. These are the answers for exercise 3, which contains present simple passive اللي هو المضارع المبني للمجهول. Directly to page 50. نذهب إلى صفحة 50 مباشرة. عندنا تمرين 4 و 5. We have 4 and 5. Exercise 4 and 5. اللي هو vocabulary. We want to choose the correct alternative. اختار الخيار الصحيح. نكبر الصفحة. الخيار الصحيح ونضع دائرة حول الإجابة الصحيحة. You can see the coral reefs from the boat. The bottom of the boat is made of metal glass. عندنا الدائرة الأولى. The bride's dress is made of the finest silk. CD cases break easily because they are made of plastic. Burj Khalifa is constructed from strong steel. Objects that are made of steel, wood, like tables and chairs, burn easily. Then it is wood, مصنوع من الخشب. The statue is made of silver, bronze, which is polished to make it brown and shiny اللي هو bronze حتى يكون لونه بني ولامع بيكون هو البرونز دائما. The king's crown is made of marble gold, of course it's made of gold. Nice forks used for eating are made of light weight metal. These are the answers here. Directly, exercise 5 grammar. Rewrite the sentences in the present simple passive included by if necessary. يعني إذا اضطرينا أن نستخدم by يجب أن نضع by. الآن people ride bicycles in China. Bicycles are ridden in China. استخدمنا المفعول فيه في بداية الجملة. الآن موضوع بالمفعول فيه بداية الجملة فيه. إذا بدنا نكمل أفعال البي والتصريف الثالث الفعل. They make helicopters in the USA. Helicopters are made. Helicopters إذن are made. آسف على الخط يعني ولكن أفضل ما يكون. People don't speak English only in the UK. English isn't only spoken in the UK. Isn't only ونحط الفعل اللي هو speak spoken. Isn't only spoken. A chauffeur usually drives a limousine. A limousine is driven. هون يجب أن نضع by. Is driven by هون by a chauffeur اللي هو هذا by a chauffeur تيجي هون في هاي المنطقة by a chauffeur. A lot of photos. Visitors take a lot of photos. A lot of photos are taken. Do they use computers in your school? Are computers used? Do architects design buildings? Are buildings designed? The doctor treats patients in hospital. Patients are treated. Patients are treated. I hope you can or you could answer them on are treated. Thank you very much. Hope to meet again in the next video. Your teacher Omar Allaham from Relief International. Hope that you will have good time. Thank you and bye bye for now.